Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to open different Google Ads account on the same Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open Google Ads conversion and now click on the plus sign. After clicking the plus sign, click on the website conversion. Now a drop down will appear. Click on the add to cart option. Then scroll down and click on the create and continue button. After clicking create and continue, click on the install the tab. And now you have to copy the HTML code. After copying the HTML code, open your Shopify store and then go to the themes section. Click on the themes button. After that, click on the three dots button and now a drop down will appear. Select the edit code option. From the code editor, open the theme.liquid tab and now copy the entire script code. Now go to settings. After going to settings on your Shopify admin page, click on the store details and now paste the entire code and save. After saving it, go to Google Ads again, click filter traffic and now click on the view access management. After that, go on the Shopify main page and enable Google Analytics account. After that, click on the save button. Now go to filtered settings and go to the marketing button and now click on the Google Ads linking. Then you will see the linked ad and click on the continue button. After that, click under create view and now click on the e-commerce setting. After that, enable the options and click on the save button. Now go to upload and click imports. Then click import and continue button. And it's done. That's how you can open different Google Ads account on the same Shopify store. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.